Look at my husband, guys. Love that lovey-dovey movie. 3 days. 2 days na ngayon. 3 days or 2 days na ngayon na yung dugo ko, guys, is parang luka-luka. Kasi,
Good morning, Philippines!
good morning, Philippines. Good morning, guys. So, ang morning, ang aga, ang morning. O, diba? Ito yung po yung aga ko, guys. So, nagre-ready lang ako para breakfast ko. Pero yung pusa ko, feeling tao din ito siya. Akala niya siya yung pinagsiservan ko dyan, pero hindi pala. Pero gustong-gusto niya yung bread. Gusto niyang sisimutin, amoy-amoyin. Yun, kunin niya yun. Happy na siya. And yun, so, anyway guys, so, plano ko guys, ito, lunchtime na naman ito guys. Pero alam niyo na, kain lang tayo ng kain. Pero bago niyan, napag-isip-isip ko, punta tayo sa labas, maglinis tayo ng sasakyan at sa kabakuran. So please, watch me guys, watch me whip and watch me nay. So yun lang siya, so lutuin ko lang siya para mainit din yung natin, diba? Mainit yung lunch natin. Yun yung tinolang manok na niluto po natin. And alam nyo naman, mas maganda kapag lutuin talaga siya dyan sa sa stove kaysa sa microwave. Palagi na lang tayo ng microwave guys, makasira yan sa ating katawan. So yun, kami ni Tami kakain yan kasi masarap talaga siya guys, as in lalo na pag leftover ng mga tinola. O yun, kain tayo. Nalibat na naman ako, naduduling sa sarap. So yun guys, punta tayo sa labas guys kasi lilisin po natin itong sasakyan na 2021 pang hindi nalinis. the car? This one here, there's another plastic. Yeah, but there's another plastic here. Look. Is this good with it like this? You wanna vacuum that thing? Can you open the thing? Can I vacuum that thing? Is it? Okay. This is really it. Hi guys! So yun guys, tapos na po ako guys. Nakikita ninyo yung paglilinis ng sasakyan at satisfying, di ba? Very satisfying. So, hindi ko pa ito guys. Look, ito. Tignan nyo yung rosas na nilagay ko. Yung nag-trim ako ng rosas, meron tayong nilagay, di ba? And, so yun siya. Nag-start ng tumubo. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko yan transfer. Kasi kailangan ko siyang i-transfer kasi ang haba na ng mga yun, haba na. Look at my husband guys, love that lovey-dovey movie because of the Ice Hotel. He want to experience Ice Hotel but he won't experience because we don't go nowhere. Hey.
True, we don't go nowhere.
We don't go nowhere. Hindi na rin ako magluluto kasi guys, marami kaming ulam. We have a lot of leftover guys. So, bawal magluto. Bawal at saka nagluto ako ng rice kasi you know, rice is life, right, Han? And Tommy have beans. So, that's the time that he will eat rice because of the beans. I don't know. What's your plan tomorrow, honey? Huh? I'll go with you, right? If it's too late, I won't go. If it's early, I'll go, okay? I told you, I'm gonna pack that thing for you. A small no, you need to do airbed. Yes, we're going to, or else I'm gonna go with you. Yes, you won't need airbed, hon.
Why was that?
Because it's gonna hurt your back.
But how many times have we been there? Think about that.
Yeah, but this time there's no table.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
The table is helping you to stay there in the couch, not rolling down. Tulog na po ako, guys. Kasi po, yan, binalik ko ito kasi alam nyo naman, ginamit ko lang ito kapag matulog. Kasi yan, alam nyo, may problema ako, guys. 3 days. 2 days na ngayon. 3 days or 2 days na ngayon na yung dugo ko, guys, is parang luka-luka. Kasi, tawag nito, nag-start yung, ko, parang 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago. And, nag-start siya sumakit, and then, may konti. And then, ngayon, may konti na naman. Kahapon, sumakit. And then, meron na naman kaunti. And then, wala, hindi nagtuloy-tuloy, guys. And then, ngayong araw na ito, sumakit yung puson ko. So, sobrang sakit. Before ako nag-cut ng grass, kasi nag-cut po tayo, diba? And, sumakit siya. And then, nag-take ako ng Aleve. And then, ngayon, wala, guys. As in, sabi ko, ano nangyari sa akin? Bakit supposedly, meron na ako ngayon kasi, katapusan na ng Abril. Wala, guys, talagang, iwan ko. Pero meron, alam ko namang, darating talaga yun. Pero, nagtataka ako, bakit parang may spotting konti, and then wala, and then, hindi ko alam anyari. And then, wala pa din, sumakit yung puson ko. And then, nag-iba yung mood ko. Alam ko naman, kapag ganun, iba yung mood ko. So, yun. But anyway, so, yun lang yung ano ko, guys. Ay, ano pa ba? Yun, matulog na kami kasi, para makapagpahinga din kasi, bukas alis si Tami. Salamat guys sa panonood. So, nag-alala ako bakit ganito yung ano ko, nagloko ba? Parang hindi siya makalabas-labas. Parang gustong lumabas na hindi makalabas-labas. Hindi ko alam. Baka may nakababag. Nakababag ba? Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.